Backed by a 102,000 square meter modern factory and fully automated production lines, Buildgram New Material has built a full range, high-performance product system that accurately meets diverse construction scenarios, adapts to the global market. Buildgram New Material is a professional integrated manufacturer and global supplier dedicated to green prefabricated building systems, thermal insulation panel materials, industrial door systems, and cold chain storage solutions. Rooted in China's building materials industry, we integrate research and design, intelligent manufacturing, customized production, international trade, and one-stop project services, committed to low-carbon, energy-saving, durable, and high-performance building materials. We provide prefabricated hull solution, cold storage solution, and sandwich panel solutions for global construction partners, engineering contractors, distributors, real estate developers, and small business owners. With strict quality control system, mature supply chain, and rich overseas project experience, Buildgram has established stable cooperative relations with customers across Oceania, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Europe, Africa, and America. We make it our mission that to create high-quality, low-carbon green building materials, empower global sustainable construction development, and provide cost-effective, reliable building solutions for every global partner. Let's build the best with Buildgram New Material.